called Nemo and Dory by Finding Nemo. Okay? So let's start with Nemo. Big eyes, big circular eyes here in the middle, okay?
Are you drawing Nemo first?
We're drawing Nemo first, okay? Two big circular eyes here. Very good. You need some space here between the mouth, between the eyes for the mouth. Okay? Happy. And he's got a little bit of tongue here. He's smiling. Black circles for his eyes. Black circle this way. Okay? Black circles. Eyebrows. Okay, eyebrow. And then eyebrow. Okay, we're gonna draw the side of his face here. Okay, let me see. From the top and come down to the eye, okay? Stop at the eye.
Stop at the eye.
And then this side, we're gonna go past the eye, okay? So go down here. Okay, stop here. We have this big fin here, curve, and then come back, okay? And from here, we're gonna draw the bottom of his face. So we're gonna draw this. Okay. Okay, and then from the eye, we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna turn to the right. Okay, it's a sharp angle. Okay, and then we're gonna draw his body. Okay, so watch. We're gonna from here in the middle. We're gonna draw here, and then we're gonna do one more. And this one will go to his tail. We're gonna stop here, go to the back, to his rear tail fin, come back here, and then go down. And now we're gonna add his other fins, okay? He's got two small fins down here. Okay, so draw that in. And he's got one big tall fin in the top. Okay, and he has smaller fin on the left. Okay, it's a small one. We'll add the lines in there. 2 lines on that one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 lines on the other one. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then 4 lines on the rear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is Nemo. Now we're gonna draw
Dory!
So Dory's got bigger eyes than Nemo. So we're gonna start with, in the middle, 2 really big circles. 2 big circles. Okay. And inside a circle, we're gonna draw 2 smaller circles. So we're gonna do one like this. That's her eye. And then we're gonna do one more smaller one that's black, okay? Smaller eye that's black. Smaller that's black. Okay, and then she's got a little smile down here. Then you're gonna draw face like this, okay? 2 lines meet in the middle. Okay, and she has 2 fins down here. One on the right. And one on the left. Okay, and then we're going to draw her eyebrows. So from her eye here, it goes up and then come down. Goes up and then come down. Okay, very good. And then in the middle, we're going to have a fin here. So we're going to draw this fin here. That's on the back of her head. Okay, that's black. Black fin. Okay, and then we're going to have She has a couple more lines on her eye. Okay, so we have the eyebrow here, eyebrow here, and then one more line here. Okay, and we'll draw her tail. Her tail's coming off the side. Big tail, okay? Line first. Come down. Okay. Goes into the body. Then we're going to add a lot of lines on here, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so that is Nemo and Dory. Now I'm going to color them, okay?